Thanks for coming to my channel. In this video, you're going to teach your kids how to eat veggies. So that is iceberg. This is aborigine. First, eat these vegetables in raw form so that the kids can really feel what it is they're really eating, the texture, the smells. And these are very healthy smells that really stimulate the brains into accepting the cooked version or the better version with them. It can be with salt or without salt. So I'm checking in our refrigerator for some vegetables that we have over there. This is a carrot. Everybody knows a carrot, guys. This is not rabbit food. That has lots of vitamin A that help really improve our sight. And this is the rewarding salad that I made with the iceberg. So here's the 10-year-old. He hates vegetables and he's now trying to taste the eggplant or the aubergine. That eggplant wasn't so tasty, but look, this is something psychological. He's loving it. He's loving it. And he wanted to eat more and more. So this 5-year-old saw the 10-year-old really smashing everything. And then he said, no. Me too, I can't do it. He hates vegetables. He hates that vegetable. Look at what he's doing. And this is our princess who has really preached her heart out to the young siblings that veggies are not really okay. But I can't believe when I see her chewing onto those vegetables. Look. Okay. That was not so good. She states it, but it was okay. She was okay with it in a prepared form. So I'm checking in our refrigerator for the vegetables that I have to play with today. I want to prepare them for these kids so that we get along really well on that healthy train. Vegetables are healthy. So this is how I've just introduced or encouraged my kids to eat vegetables, and it really works. It works wonders. That is our salad. They ate it without leaving a single bit. Yeah? And then our steak. A salad and a steak, you can't go wrong. That was really a grilled, nice, slow-cooked steak with lots of garlic, curry, seasoning, salt. What was that? Thyme. That's the spaghetti or the pasta. So we had a cold dish of pasta and steak, and the kids loved every single bit of our meal. They loved this. It was mouth-watering. Normally they would have had their pasta and the steak, but this time around I punched it up with an iceberg. They really hated, with a few tomatoes and a dressing, and that was all. So try it and they'll take it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, support my channel, and get more of this. Thanks for watching.